Let's fill out the Kentucky ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now, the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Welcome to this quick guide on Kentucky ATV Bill of Sale requirements. Let's walk through what you need to know. First, the bill of sale itself must be on law enforcement's letterhead. So make sure you have the correct document before you get started. When it comes to signatures, the bill of sale needs to be signed by both the lien holder and the vehicle owner. And on the title itself, only the seller's signature is required. Kentucky requires the title transfer to be completed using Form TC 96-182. And if there is a lien on the vehicle, a county clerk may request the title directly from the lien holder. The seller is responsible for disclosing the odometer reading, and only the seller can report the mileage when updating the title. So be sure to have that number ready and accurate. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.